Everyone is walking on the edge of life, like the ghost of a shadow, barely alive. Even time's in a rush, but it's going nowhere. Everyone's connected, but no one is connecting. The human element has long been missing. Tell me, have you seen it? Have you seen it? Are we alone? 'Cause I need something to believe in. Tell me, are we alone? Where is the light? Where is the feeling? Is anybody out there? Is anyone listening? Is anyone left in this whole world?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Winda Sari. I am an English teacher at Teknologi Bala Professional School, Prokatili Regency, Riau. Now, I am a student in the teaching profession program at University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Today, I like to share my experience in teaching learning process using online mode. This activity is taken today on Wednesday active 2021 at 9 a.m. And everyone, here is the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And you,
How
ma'am?
are you, ma'am?
I'm very well, thank you. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. I hope we always be in good and healthy condition. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Alright, before we start our lesson, we should start by praying together. Please, the leader of the class, lead the prayer. Zamzamil, please.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Praying start. Praying finish.
Thank you, Zam.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay, everybody. For the first, please fill out the attendance list on the Google Form link that I share on the chat column. Silakan buka kolom chat dan klik link tautan untuk isi absen pada hari ini ya, Nak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next, to raise a sense of love for the homeland and nationalism in us, let's sing the national anthem Hari Merdeka together to celebrate Independence Day. Let's sing. Everybody, I hope our spirit of nationalism and sense of love for our homeland will be even greater. Okay, now, do you remember about the last material?
Yes, ma'am. It's offering, accepting, and deciding service, ma'am.
Okay, good. It means you still remember the material we learned last week. That's great. Semoga materi-materi yang kita telah pelajari pada pertemuan minggu lalu benar-benar kalian pahami dan dapat kalian aplikasikan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Alright, to start our lesson today, I want to show you a picture. Look at the picture on the slide. What does the picture tell about?
Merayakan kelulusan, ma'am.
In English?
Celebrate of graduation, ma'am.
Good. Sekarang kalian sudah berada di kelas 12 dan sebentar lagi akan lulus dan meninggalkan sekolah kita ini. And then, what will you do after graduate?
Studi, ma'am, mencari kerja, ma'am.
Gak tahu, ma'am, masih bingung.
Work, ma'am.
Yeah. What should you do before applying for a job?
Membuat surat lamaran kerja, ma'am.
Make a application letter, ma'am.
Make a curriculum vitae, ma'am.
That's great. For applying a job, should make an application letter. Dan surat lamaran kerja yang kita buat harus sesuai dengan ketentuan pembuatan surat lamaran kerja dan dibuat semenarik mungkin. Jika tidak, kamu akan ditolak oleh perusahaan. You will be rejected by the company. Today, we will learn how to make an application letter. I hope you can take today's lesson seriously, enthusiastically, discipline, and responsibility. Today material is very useful if you apply it in everyday life. Khususnya bagi kalian yang ingin melamar kerja, saat kalian lulus nanti, ini sangat bermanfaat. Jadi tolong perhatikan baik-baik. And then there are learning objectives for our learning today. After you learn this learning material, you will be able to describe the social function, text structures, and language features of a job application letter according to the context of its use carefully. Analyze the social function, text structures, and language features of a job application letter correctly. And next, compose the job application letter by paying attention to the structures of the text, language features correctly according to the context carefully. And the last, designing a job application letter based on certain information confidentially. Setelah mengikuti pembelajaran hari ini, kalian diharapkan mampu menguraikan hingga menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan pada teks khusus dalam surat lamaran pekerjaan, sesuai dengan konteksnya dengan cermat. Dan kalian juga diharapkan dapat menyusun sebuah surat lamaran kerja berdasarkan sebuah informasi lowongan kerja. And the material we will learn today, they are definition, social function, structured text, language features. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, we are ready, ma'am.
Yes, we are ready, ma'am.
Okay, for the first, please look at the picture. What does the picture tell about?
Someone is doing something by a laptop, ma'am.
Yes, very good. This is Randy. He just graduated from vocational high school and he is looking for a job. He tried to find information on job vacancies by the internet. The following is information on job vacancies according to his skill. Look at slide. But there is a little problem. Randy has not been able to make a job application letter. Jadi, dari situasi tersebut, bisa kita ketahui bahwa Randy sedang melamar kerja sesuai dengan informasi lowongan kerja yang diperolehnya dari internet. Tetapi ia belum bisa membuat surat lamaran kerja. So, would you like to help Randy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from the situation, 1, what do you think about the picture?
The job vacancies, ma'am.
Okay, good. 2, what will you do after you read and interested this kind of job vacancy?
Make an application letter, ma'am.
That's great. And then to help Randy, please do this task. Please do this task. Okay, to answer the questions and find a solution to the problem, make a group consisting of 3 people in each group. I will divide you on 3 groups. Okay, this is your group. Group 1, Zamzamil, Dina, Elmida. Group 2, Naufal, Ira, Dwi. Group 3, Leo, Risma, Tia. Okay, observe and learn the material provided in the access link and learning material from the internet. I have shared the worksheet in our WhatsApp group and you can download it. Silahkan unduh lembar kerjanya terlebih dahulu.
Okay, ma'am.
Have all groups download the worksheet?
Yes, we have, ma'am.
Okay, please pay attention to the worksheet that is shared. Perhatikan terlebih dahulu lembar kerja yang telah kalian unduh. Do you have any question regarding to worksheet?
Are all the question done, ma'am?
Yes, do it all.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, Elmida. Anyone else to ask?
No, ma'am.
All right, after this, we will end our meeting and you can discuss with your group by WhatsApp group or WhatsApp video call to complete your work. To help you do this task, please read the material in the handout and please click the link to access material YouTube video that I have shared in our WhatsApp group. You have 25 minutes to complete the test. If you find a problem, please ask me. Now, as usual, we go out of Zoom and we meet again on Zoom 25 minutes later. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, students, after you discuss and do the work, please present your work by the slide. And for the other group, give your feedback or a question, the material presented. Which group is the first to present?
We are, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Hi everyone, we are from group 1. We will present our work based on the problem shown on the slide. Our group member are Dina, Elmida, and I, Zamzamil. Okay. Randy Hartono, Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, Bagan Batu, Rokan Hilir, Regency. 0852 2678 2120. Bagan Batu, Julai 2021. Human Resource Manager, Best Fitness, Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, Kaf 25, Pekanbaru. Dear Sir, I read your advertisement on the job street site 28 July 2021 edition, and I would like to apply for the position offered. Please, Elmida, continue.
I was graduates from Technology Balam Vocation School 2020, majoring in graphic design. I'm fresh graduates and I have 6 months working on internship program experience in graphic design department at PT Galaxy Media. Enclosed are my resume and recent photograph. I will appreciate an interview opportunity where I can convince you that my service will be an asset to your company. I hope my educational background and excellent achievement on current works merits to your consideration. Thank you for keen attention. I am looking forward to your reply. Sincerely, Randy Hartono.
Excellent. Give applause for group 1. Please, other groups, give feedback or question to group 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
I'm from group 2. I want to ask you, what position is Randy applying for?
Position Randy is the graphic designer.
Anyone else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please, Risma.
I'm Risma from group 3. We want to ask when did Randy make the application letter?
Randy make the application letter on 30 July 2021.
Okay, good. Thank you, everybody. Okay, after you do the worksheet and present it, please ask questions related to material that is difficult for you to understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ira, please.
When we learned the material by the week, found the cover letter and resume, so what is difference of application letter between cover letter and resume?
Thank you, Ira. That's a good question. Okay, everybody, who can answer the Ira question?
Hey, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Tadi kami juga menemukan materi tersebut, Ma'am. Kalau yang kami temukan tadi application letter adalah surat lamaran kerja, sedangkan cover letter salah satu bagian dari surat lamaran kerja. Dan resume kalau tidak salah mendaftar riwayat hidup, Ma'am.
That's good answer, Prisma. Iya. Jadi application letter yaitu surat lamaran kerja yang digunakan untuk melamar kerja. Dan di dalamnya bisa dilampirkan beberapa berkas pendukung seperti cover letter atau surat pengantar, daftar riwayat hidup atau resume, atau sering disebut CV atau curriculum vitae. Thank you, Risma.
You are welcome, ma'am.
Now, to make sure that you have learned is correct, let's look at the explanation on this video.
What is an application letter? An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. An application letter is an important information and includes reasons for applying for the position. Surat lamaran kerja merupakan surat formal untuk melamar pekerjaan. Surat lamaran kerja memiliki informasi yang penting tentang diri kita dan berisi alasan untuk mengambil posisi tersebut. What is the purpose of the application letter? The purpose of the application letter is to apply for a job. Ada beberapa bagian dalam surat lamaran kerja. Kita cek langsung pada contoh suratnya yuk. 1. Applicant's address. 2. Date. 3. Employer's address. 4. Salutation. 5. Opening paragraph. 6. Body of letter. 7. Closing paragraph. 8. Closing. 9. Signature. Nah, sekarang kita bahas satu persatu bagiannya yuk. 1. Applicant's address. Alamat pelamar. Terdiri dari your name, nama, your address, alamat tempat tinggal, your telephone number, nomor telepon, and your email address, alamat email. 2. Date. Pada bagian tanggal ada berbentuk British style dan American style. Dalam British style, bulan dituliskan terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti tanggal dan tahunnya. Biasanya kita menggunakan ordinal number untuk format ini. Dan dalam American style, kita menuliskan tanggal terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti bulan dan tahunnya. Format ini menggunakan cardinal number. 3. Employer's address, alamat penerima, terdiri dari employer's name, nama penerima, job title, jabatan penerima, company's name, nama perusahaan, company's address, alamat perusahaan. 4. Salutation, salam pembuka. Teman-teman bisa menuliskan Dear Sir or Madam atau Dear Mr. or Mrs. 5. Opening paragraph, paragraf pembuka. Di dalam opening paragraph, teman-teman bisa menuliskan informasi diri dan posisi yang dilamar. Paragraf ini juga menuntun pada paragraf selanjutnya dengan menyebutkan kualifikasi yang dimiliki secara singkat dan alasan kita tertarik terhadap posisi yang dilamar. 6. Body of letter. Di dalam body of letter berisi tentang kualifikasi atau keterampilan yang kita miliki. Kita juga dapat menyebutkan prestasi yang pernah diraih untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita memang cocok untuk posisi yang dilamar. Jadi, pada bagian ini kita mempromosikan diri kita sebaik mungkin. 7. Closing paragraph. Paragraf terakhir merupakan paragraf penutup. kita dapat menyampaikan bahwa kita memiliki kualifikasi yang sesuai untuk posisi yang dilamar. Kita juga dapat menyertakan kontak pribadi sekaligus menunjukkan bahwa kita mengharapkan sebuah panggilan wawancara dan menutupnya dengan ucapan terima kasih. 8. Closing. Pada bagian closing, kita bisa menuliskan yours sincerely or yours faithfully. 9. Signature. Kita menuliskan nama lengkap disertai tanda tangan. Nah, terkadang ada sebagian pelamar yang menambahkan enclosement pada akhir surat. Enclosement terdiri dari resume, identity card, dan recent photo. Ada beberapa kata yang sering muncul dalam surat lamaran kerja. Attach or enclose, attachment, resume, driving license, education, provision, requirement, identity card, fresh graduate, salary, under pressure, vacant, recent photograph, skill, and the last apply.
Oke, everybody, setelah melihat materi yang ditampilkan, apakah semua sudah paham apa itu application letter dan bagaimana membuat sebuah application letter yang baik?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, if you have understood, let's try to analyze the application letter. Okay, please analyze the structured text from this application letter together. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Sender.
Yes, right. Next.
That.
Good. Next.
Receiver, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next.
Salutation.
Okay, good. Okay, next.
Content or body, ma'am.
Okay, good. And then?
Closing paragraph, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Last.
Signature.
Okay, good job everybody. I think you have understood for our lesson today. Please send your work by WhatsApp and we will start the formative test. I give you 2 minutes for send your work. And then please click the access link that I have shared on the chat column. It's a formative test and you need 15 minutes to finish it. Please do it in an orderly manner because I will check the result of your discussion.
Okay, ma'am.
everybody, how about the test? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please give your feedback for today's lesson about the difficulties encountered or other.
Overall, today lesson material is very interesting, but there are some that make me confused when analyze the structure text and language feature and application letter. But after paying attention to the explanation from you, now I understand, ma'am.
Okay, that's good, Zamzamil. Thank you.
You are welcome, ma'am.
And today's summary of our material are
Summary, social function. To apply a job to a person or a company writtenly completed with structure and format in official style.
Almida?
Structure text. Sender. Place on top left, insert full name, address and date. Receiver. Place on second top left, insert full name, address and company. Salutation. Greeting to receiver or company.
Content include purpose of writing application letter, sort of knowing the applicant, skill that the sender has, the sender's current situation, and the reason of application a job. Closing paragraph include sender context and the time that the sender can be raised. Signature, the sender signature and full name under it.
Okay. Next.
Language feature. Use simple present tenses. Use formal language or not slang. Targeted subject line. Include the job title and branding statement. Explain the purpose, reason why you are writing in opening statement. Explain your accomplishment, which the company might need it to hear you. Write voluntarily, effectively, and communicative.
Okay, thank you all for your attention and effort in doing the given task. Hopefully today's lesson is useful for all of us. To increase your understanding, please do the homework that is based on information on the slide and collect at the meeting next week. Untuk pekerjaan rumah, silahkan buat sebuah surat lamaran kerja sesuai informasi lowongan kerja yang ada pada slide. Nanti akan saya share ke grup WhatsApp agar kalian bisa memperhatikan beberapa informasi yang ada pada gambar tersebut. Dan harus dikumpulkan pada pertemuan minggu depan ya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, to end today's meeting, let's say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, everybody, see you to next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.